friends, my name is Tanish. Welcome to my channel Sangeet Annie, and today I'm going to make these loafers. You need a triangle sheet, or you can cut a 15 by 15 centimeter origami sheet. Okay, so first fold it this side a little bit like this, right? Now fold it back, flip it backward and then fold it into half. Now you can see this middle line, fold it till this middle line. Flip it back. Now fold it into 3 equal parts. Like this. Now open this. Now make it a little slant by pulling it from the end. Do it from this side also. Now flip it back. Now take this part and insert it inside here. Now curve these edges . At the back also, and your loafer is ready. Now you can make these smaller ones for the Barbies also, so they can also have these loafers. I made another pair of them. And then you can do one more thing also, that you can make big loafers out of your old magazines or newspapers, and then they could be on your size. So then say to your mother that don't waste money on those buying those slippers. Make it on your own. Let me make it on your own. Bye. Please like and subscribe.